2016 Dodge Ram 1500. Customer states that the service throttle body is on the dash, which that is true. Okay, so the real problem we have here is our 5-volt supply to our APP is 10 volts. You see that right there? 10 point something volts. So intake air temp, that's fine. I have that unplugged. Engine coolant temp sensor high, engine oil pressure circuit high, sensor 2 reference circuit high, APP circuit low, engine coolant bypass circuit open, fuel pump module circuit open, loss of common seatbelt. Don't worry about those. So the first thing I found when I was going through live data here is our APP voltages. So if you look at them on the screen, you got 0.42 volts right there, and then 0 volts on the APP2. That was the main thing I noticed, because if I step on the pedal, we can get AP1 to go up. AP2 obviously does nothing. But that 10 volts I showed you, that is the 5-volt line on our actual APP sensor number 2. So looking across our diagrams here, we can see, especially with the codes, we can find, let me go back to my wiring diagram, but we can find that 5-volt 2 goes to all the sensor codes that we have in the system. And the main one that we have a culprit on that actually has 12 volts, because what did I show you? I showed you that we had 10.17 volts on our 5-volt circuit. So that means we're shorted to power. And looking at our diagram, only one sensor does that, and that is this down here. If I put my scope here with it, key on, 10.5 volts, just like it popped up right there. So watch when I unplug this pump. 4 volts, and we're golden. So now our voltage is back on the APP. So we have 0.21 and 0.14 on APP 1 and 2. So our voltage is back. The PCM didn't get hurt from that stupid coolant pump shorting to power. But what I do need to do real quick, we're gonna go special functions, and I need to relearn my throttle pedal. Once I do that, I should get throttle control back in the truck. Now we're gonna go ahead and start it, and I should be able to rev it up just fine now. So, pretty cool. Customer originally brought me here because he wanted me to relearn his throttle body, because he put a throttle body on it thinking that was going to fix the problem. Unfortunately, that just was not the issue here. So get it diagnosed by a professional first, and that's what we did here. So all he needs to do is put a coolant bypass pump in it, and it will be fine at that point.